Good morning, students. So we have completed the first lesson, that is the tattered blanket. So the tattered blanket lesson we have completed. So now what you have to do is you have to learn the glossary. Okay, children. After completing the lesson, don't leave it. Learn the glossary. So before that, let us see about the author. So who is the author of this lesson? So Kamala Das. Kamala Das is the author of the lesson, and she was born in 1932 up to 2019. Sorry, 2009. She is the daughter of the famous Malayalam poet Balamani Amma and V.M. Nair. So she is the daughter for Balamani Amma and V.M. Nair from Kerala. That means they are Malayalis. So she is from Kerala. She is an internationally known poet, short story writer and novelist who writes effortlessly both in English and Malayalam. Okay, both in English and Malayalam. So she was writing the poets, that means poets and short stories in Malayalam and as well as in English. She has received many awards for her literary work. Some of them are Asian Poetry Prize, Kent Award for English Writing from Asian countries, Asian World Prize, Sahitya Academy Award, and Vailar Ramavarma Sahitya Award. So she got too many awards. So some of them are Asian World Prize and Sahitya Academy Award and Vailar Ramavarma Sahitya Award. So these are the awards she has got. She has received for her writings. Okay, children. Now you have to learn the glossary. So after completing every lesson, you have to learn the glossary. And next, take page number 8. Page number 8. In page number 8, so filling in the blanks with the appropriate word. So appropriate, the right word you have to write in the blank. So let us see what are they. All my attempts to make him happy proved dash. So proved futile. Futile means no use. So no use. All my attempts to make him happy proved no use. So I tried my best to make him happy, but it has no use. So the first one is futile. Futile means there is no use. Futile means no use of my efforts, no use of my trials and hard work. Next one. It was very cold, so I huddled in a corner. Huddled means kept myself, or I hiding or made myself in a corner. So the second one is huddled. Second one is huddled. So it was very cold, so I huddled in a corner. I put myself in a corner, or I hid myself in a corner. Forced by her parents, Sita Dash took the diploma course. Forcing. So parents has forced her. It is not from her interest. So Sita reluctantly. Reluctantly means not interested. Reluctantly means refusing way or not interested. So reluctantly. So she took the diploma reluctantly. That means not interested because of her force by the parents. Next one. What are you dash? What are you? So what is the right one? Mumbling. What are you mumbling there? Mumbling ante em godugutunnavu akkada? What are you talking there? I can't hear you. Mumbling. Mumbling. So, what are you mumbling? I can't hear you. The news that he was denied promotion caused dash to him. So, this man was denied. That means he did not get the promotion. It was denied. That means he did not get the promotion. So, because of that, what happened? What it caused him? It caused him irritation. It caused him irritation. Okay, children, I will read once again. All my attempts to make him happy proved futile. It was very cold, so I huddled in a corner. Forced by her parents, Sita reluctantly took the diploma course. What are you mumbling? I can't hear you. The news that he was denied promotion caused irritation to him. So these are the fill in the blanks with the right words. Okay. Let's see the next one. So tick the words that are similar in meaning to the underlined words. So the word which is underlined should have the similar meaning, the meaning. So we have to tick the right one. The first one. His mother made a futile attempt. So already we said what is futile. Futile means no use. So his mother made a futile attempt to get up. So to get up. So to get up, she tried to get up, but there is no use. So futile means useless. So futile means useless. So you can tick the third one, that is C. Option C. It's all tattered now. It's all tattered now. Tattered means we have seen already in the starting, in the beginning of the lesson. Tattered means it is gone or torn. Chirigipoina, torn. So the right option is torn. D. Option D is the right one. Next. There is a cold mist in the mornings. So during the winter season, what will be there? Mist. So what is the meaning of mist? So many options I have given here. Ice, snow, fog and wind. So the right one is fog. So in our country we will not have much snow. In other countries there will be snowfall, but in our country there is no snowfall. Maybe in Kashmir, northern side there will be snow, but in our places there is no snowfall. So the mist is fog. The meaning of mist is fog. It's just like a ball of knotted yarn. Knotted means tied. సో ముడి వేసిన బాల్స్ లాగా ఉన్నాయంట. ఏంటది? ఆ బెడ్షీట్, ఆ బ్లాంకెట్. సో ద బ్లాంకెట్ విచ్ హర్ సన్ గేవ్ ఇన్ మేబీ few years before, that was already torn and it was like a knotted yarn. Knotted అంటే ముడి పెట్టినటువంటి ఒక బంతిలాగా, ఒక ముద్దలాగా అయిపోయిందంట. సో knotted means tied. So option D is the right one. Next, I can't make both ends meet with my salary. Make both ends meet. Both ends means not enough. So సరిపడా అంత, నాకు వచ్చే శాలరీ సరిపడా అంత కాదు, సరిపోవట్లేదు. దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్. సో I can't make both ends meet with my salary. The option is earn just enough money. Earn just enough money. That is option C. Okay, let's read once again. His mother made a futile attempt to get up. So option C, useless. Futile means useless. It's all tattered now. Tattered means torn. There is a cold mist in the mornings. Mist meaning is fog. It's just like a ball of knotted yarn. So knotted means tied. I can't make both ends meet with my salary. So not able to meet the not sufficient salary he has. That means earn just enough money. Okay. So these are the answers. So next we shall see what are the noun phrases. Okay. Noun phrase and noun phrase in opposition. So we will see after. Now you have to complete this once. So just write it.